It's been a very long time since I've uploaded or even recorded. I've been very busy, but today we're just going to play some Artificer. Because why not? And I don't have a video idea in mind. Yes. Grid. I'm gonna go to, what's it, Shaded? Because, I don't like the scavenger toll. I realize that I've only played Survivor on my channel before, but I've gotten through all of them by now. And it was hell. I don't think I'm gonna kill the Scav King in this, but I might try to take out an elite or something. We'll see where we go with this video. It should be at the top left. I have no concept of direction. No. Your name is going to be Solitaire. Yes. Bonk. You're skinny. You got ragdoll. You're like my pet. You're here to help me commit identity fraud. It's always the bonk that gets me. Fuck. No, don't take that. That's not yours, leech. This is mine. My corpse, not yours. Ha. I just exploded a leech. That's great. Hi. Hey, good sir. Fuck. You're just unlocking me. It'd be nice if I could just carry two and have like Mega Karma and Omega Karmificer. Kinda like if Saint had an act for violence. I don't like that this room is danger for whatever reason. It's a gate. It's a gate. It's not supposed to be dangerous. Shelter. Fuck everything else. Shelter. Hey, get over here. Your food. Hey, dude, you have like so much more to worry about right now that's like not me. Jesus, this place always terrifying. I hate Shaded with like a huge passion. I think they're dead. Murder. Hey! A good kill count. I think it's good. Oh. Hello, Lantern Mouse. You gave me a heart attack. Why red? I heard that's nipping. Oh dear God. I've played this before. I've played this campaign before. I've never seen so many Miros vultures in one. I normally don't see them much at all, actually. They usually leave me alone, and it's pretty nice. It's pretty dang nice, and I don't know why they're here now. Okay. This is the room of my nightmares. I could just blow it up, in theory. No. Okay. I hope the sound of me mashing buttons on my controller isn't too terribly obvious. That was cool. Karma. Eh? Are you dead? That was considered a big centipede? Was that the right icon? Ha! Damn it! Aw, that's what I get. There we go. Karma flower. Man, they're so handy. I hate these things. I hope canonically they all get dismantled and die. I know that's not what happens, but please. I hate these things. They're loud and annoying, and my Hyung loves them, or loves to go by them apparently, and I think Hyung is insane for that. There's usually a drop wig, I think, that I could take out. How much food pips does a drop wig give? Find something to kill. ASAP. Yeah, no, that's not a lizard. It's probably just a graphical bug or something. Oh! Oh wait, the white lizard counted. Dragon Slayer. Yep, that's me. Totally. Hello. Would you like to die today, mister? Haha! Okay, I think he fell off the edge, so I'm not going after that. That didn't hit properly, but you know what? I'm not even mad. That was funny. Did you? It's really funny how they just kind of ragdoll off. Let's... Ha. Oh, hello, Blue. No, let me go. Let me go. You know you want a man. I'm not dead. Let me go. It's not even about, like, traveling up the wall again is a pain. It's more like, I really just want to keep my kills. Okay, that's how you do that properly. You hold up, not... I saw that. He just gave up on the fact that I just ruined his everything. I essentially spat in his face and he just accepted it. It's like I'm prepping myself. I couldn't resist. I just had to. You stupid, stupid freaking blue lizards. I love them so much. Woohoo! I killed two. I killed two. Yes, I killed two. Right. I know you're supposed to be mostly killing the scabs. But I kind of just, like, really prefer to torture the local wildlife. You know, that's more of my vibe. I'm probably not going to make it up the first time, so I'm going to go waste this bomb real quick. For example, in torturing the local wildlife... Dang it! You were my lunch. Ah. Right. This place is infested. My go-to strategy for when a spitter spider comes and actually hits me, because most of the time they're kind of bad with their aim. Like I am. Yeah, I'm not laughing because it's funny, I'm laughing because I'm scared. We're at the underhang, I believe. Imagine if I just rocketed myself off the ledge here. Honestly, I thought I would right there. Oh. Oh. Now we have enough. Did I not eat that white lizard or something? I don't remember. My memory is that of a goldfish in the metaphorical sense and not the literal sense. I know that they, like, remember more like 3 months rather than a couple seconds. I'm gonna stop being a nerd. Why is there danger here? Oh, that's why there's danger here. Oh, I got you in the mouth. That's awesome. I didn't mean to get that and I still got it. I don't like the sound of that. Are you up in there? You are. First of all, how? Second of all, why?
Michael! Don't leave me here! Michael! Michael!
Nothing in this environment is smart except for 5 pebbles. And he's kind of stupid too. How much time do I have left? Not much, it seems. Oh, hello. Children, we're not gonna mess with God. Actually, hang on. That's so mean. I'm sorry. What? Hang on. Hang on. I didn't expect that. I'm gonna be honest, I didn't expect that. I wasn't trying to do that. I don't know how. I was trying to put you on my shoulders. I didn't want to maul you to death. Oh my god. I could just explode it in theory. Get over here. Okay, yep, terrifying. Is it coming in here? It sure is. No! Dang it! It's always the last one. It's always the last one for me, I swear. Oh, right, I forgot. I always love killing this thing, honestly. Yeah. No, I thought I could save myself. I could not. I might just kill one more thing that's kind of hard. That's preferably not myself. It's fairly easy for me to kill. I can... See? I want to kill the long legs. Then the video's over. Hey. Suddenly you don't want to come back out? Nope. There we go. I love killing these things. Genuinely, like, one of my favorite parts of this game. Alright. Time to die again. I'm calling it. I don't care. Don't care anymore. That was... I don't care. I very much don't care. Oh. Oh, and I caught the spear back. When did I get half decent at this game? Not risking it. Awesome. I murdered everything for an entire video. I guess including my own child. My game just crashed.